Ooh, this is so soft on your feet too.
Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Caboodle. Today I'm going to attempt to hand crochet a rug for my daughter's bedroom. So I want something really soft, easy to clean, so I'm using this yarn from Easter. It's chunky and it's cotton, and it has kind of like that fluff inside, which makes it super soft. Now this is the 1.1 pound. I will have the Amazon link down below if you do want to purchase this. Now you can use this technique with wool yarn, any yarn that you want, but I find that if you use chunky yarn, it's easier to crochet with. Okay, I cannot wait to see what the result is going to turn into. Let's dive into it. Okay, so I've got my 1 pound of yarn right here. I also have some extras that I used from a different project. I might use that too, but let's get started with this first. So you're gonna take it out if you are using this yarn. We're gonna start out, I'm gonna just unravel some of it. Okay, that's good. So first we're gonna start out with a slip knot. And if you don't know how to make this, look it up, but this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so now we have one loop. So we're gonna make some other loops. Put your fingers in the hole, grab this longer side right here, and pull through. And don't tighten them too much. So now you have 2 of them, and you wanna do it one more time. Put your fingers through the hole, grab this yarn and pull through that hole. So this is what it should look like so far. Okay, next, we're gonna go through this loop and then go to your initial loop, like that, and we're gonna pull through just one of them. So now you have 2 of the loops through your fingers. And we're gonna pull through both of them right here. So that was our first single crochet. Now we're gonna do that again. So go through your working loop. You're gonna go through that same initial. So now you have 2 loops and pull it through. So this is your second single crochet. So we're gonna work 6 single crochets into that first slip knot. So that was 2. So this is what it should look like so far. And as you all can see, there's the hole that we've been putting all of the single crochets through. So that little end piece, you can tighten a little bit to make this hole smaller. Don't tighten it too much though. Okay, so this is our working loop right here. We're gonna put a marker in our last little loop or a single crochet. So we're gonna do single crochets in the back of our single crochets. So I'm gonna find the back of our single crochet, which is right here, and pull that through and do 2 single crochets. And we're gonna do this all the way around, and you'll have 12 single crochets when we're done with it. So let's just keep going. We have reached our marker, so we know we're at the end right here. So this is our last one. All right, so now we should have 12. Grab your marker again and put it through the last single crochet. So we know where to end once again. All right, as you guys can see, it's a big spiral that we're doing. So that's how we're gonna make our rug. So now in this round, we're gonna do the back of each single crochet, but this time we're gonna do 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, all the way until we reach our marker. So let's get started with that. And these are, again, single crochets. Wow, this is really turning out. So in this round, we have 18 of our single crochets all the way around. I already took my mark out. I'm gonna put it back in this one. Last single crochet in the row. So in this round, we're gonna do 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, all the way around. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 single crochets in our first single crochet. So 1, 2. Then we're gonna do 1 single crochet in the next one. 1 single crochet in the next one. And then we're gonna repeat that pattern. So 2, 1, 1, 2. Last one. Wow, okay, so in this round, you should have 24 single crochets. So we are just increasing this by 6 single crochets each time. So if you want to continue to make it bigger, you can. I'm gonna make this about this big right here. So in this round, we're gonna go 2, and then we're gonna have 3 ones now. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Last one going in. Pull out my marker. Okay, so this is how big it is right now. I still want it a little bit bigger, so I might do just 1 more row. If you want to stop at this point, you can. If you want to keep going bigger and bigger, you also can. We're gonna do 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now we're gonna do 4 single ones. And then we're gonna do 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 all the way around. We're gonna keep going. Uh-oh, okay. So I'm gonna grab my extra and I'm just gonna make a knot. Make sure it's really tight. Okay. And I'm just gonna cut the ends later. My goodness, you guys, look at this. It's just like perfect. And this is how big I would want it for my little girl's room. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hide the end of it. Just like that. All right, are we ready to see the final result? Here it is. This is the perfect size for my daughter's bedroom. It's a nice pink color. They also have other colors on the Amazon link down below. They've got red, gray, black, blue, you name it, they have it. This took me about an hour to make or less. You can lay on it, sit on it. My toddler can play with her toys on this. And it's really, really soft, but so cool. It doesn't itch like wool sometimes does. And it has some cushion to it. So when you do walk on, ooh, this is so soft on your feet too. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I cannot believe how well it turned out. Please comment down below what other crochet patterns or projects you want me to show you. Can't wait to put this in my little girl's room. Please comment down below, let me know what other crochet projects you want me to do. And until next time, bye.